Little changes make big differences. My biggest tip is keep it real. The more you stick to foods that have originated from a real food source and not being refined, processed, or man-made, then the body understands easily what to do with it, and that is use, store, or dispose of it. Counting calories will be a thing of the past, but if it helps you, by all means use it. When you keep it real, you don't have empty calories to count. Eat everything in moderation and satisfy your cravings with healthy choices. Let's start the day off by having you drink pure, uncontaminated, crisp, clean, and filtered water. Nothing replaces water. Have a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon juice in the morning to clear out your liver and move your bowels. Taste expert Neil Bernard, MD, and author of the book Breaking the Food Seduction, explains that our taste buds have a memory of approximately 21 days, and when making changes in food choices, we simply need to give our taste buds time to readjust. If you are a meatitarian, try replacing meat with beans, legumes, or superseeds like quinoa and chia for a good source of protein and fiber that will help you shed the pounds. For example, replace a burger with a veggie burger. Try replacing white rice with other grains. Experiment with new seeds or grains like teff, buckwheat, or amaranth. If you find it hard to eat the recommended 5 fruits and veggies a day, juice or blend your food into a smoothie. If you can't get fresh, frozen fruits and veggies are great. Making your own Chinese food is a healthier option than eating it at a restaurant. It will have less sodium, oil, and other additives. Great pasta replacements are kamut or rice pasta. You can even spiralize raw zucchini or yams. Replace potato fries with yam fries. Instead of ice cream, replace it with frozen yogurt or a sorbet for the lighter choice. Eat while engaging your body, mind, and spirit. If you eat with mindfulness, you will begin changing, eating differently with awareness, and your body will begin to regulate itself. With the physical demands of work, family, and community, it's easy for us to neglect our health, and what ends up happening is we resort to comfort food. These comfort foods can be broken into 2 categories. The first is salty, crunchy, or savory. Common snacks are potato chips, cheesies, pretzels. Instead, try seaweed, nuts, rice crackers, or popcorn with nutritional yeast, which tastes like Parmesan cheese, but it's loaded with B vitamins. The second category for comfort food is sweet and sour. For instance, cookies, cakes, candies, and canned drinks. Some good sweet substitutes are dried fruits like dates, figs, or raisins, yogurt with honey and berries, or lemonade with honey or maple syrup. You may find yourself reaching for bad foods even when you're not hungry. You could be in a meeting and the candy bowl is passed around, so you help yourself, not conscious of the negative effects on your overall health goals. I encourage you to live consciously. If you manage to make these choices, you will have a better chance of maintaining a balanced flow of nutrients into your body. As mentioned, there are many steps that you can take to eat more nutritiously. By creating a nutrition plan with these tips in mind, you will soon feel more energized and healthy. In turn, this will help prolong your life. You'll be happier, healthier, and lighter as a result of making these lifestyle changes. So eat well and be well.